In this video, I will show you how to share your community on Reddit. For example, you have a community and there is no one admin there, and you want to share it to get admins and members. So this is the right video to make it. Open Reddit first like this. And right now, just go to this three line in the corner of the screen and open your community. This is my community as you see. And right now, as you can see, one members, just only me. I want to share it to my friends and people. Click here on the share icon and choose how you want, by email, SMS, Discord, or WhatsApp, or just copy the link or share with another solution. And yeah, guys, I hope this video is useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.